Okay, let me just get this stuff set up. Let me ping at everyone because yes. All right. Something still doesn't look right in this. I'm not really sure if I'm liking how this is looking. This is clearly just, I'm just messing around and I'm making assets already. Why am I doing this? I should be working on idle research. Yo, what's up? What's up, Waddles? Ugh, I hate that black. That looks hideous. Ugh, I'm not a fan of this white glow. Yeah, I don't really like that either. Nah. What am I making? I have no idea. I have okay, so for the little Stardew Valley thing that I was kind of experimenting with, let me close a few things. Hold on. I have a lot of tabs open. Frick. There we go. Where did it go? Where did you need to go? Okay. So my plan was that this, I'm gonna use this as like a little mining station. So like the whole point of this is to mine from this, and then you just like play the game. I don't know. I'm just experimenting right now. I kind of want to learn how to make an inventory system, so that's kind of what I'm doing right now. But I'm just making some assets for fun. I need to practice my pixel art since eventually I'm gonna have to make people in pixel art, which will not be fun because I have I've never done it before, so I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Also, Discord. There we go. Discord it's now saying I'm streaming. Okay. What is going on here? Hey, we don't make those comments here. Okay, this is what I was going off of. This right here. Thanks for the comment though. Maybe I'll make it a little shiny and add some like symbols or something. It'll look a little better. It looks a bit bland. Oops. Too noticeable. So I'll link to this video on your game CryptoClickers, one of the best games I've ever played. Thank you very much. Though I'm gonna have to disagree. I don't like CryptoClickers, but I appreciate your compliment. Okay. Scroll. Damn it. Scroll. Okay. This is why you never watch my streams. I agree. You make those kind of comments. I need to add like a little sparkle. Where is this gonna go? I have no idea. What is going on? Why won't this move? Hello? Hello? What is it doing? What is what is it doing? It's just okay. Sure. I don't know what the hell it's doing, but that's really annoying. I wanted to add like a little glow thing, but I don't think that's gonna work. I have an idea. Oh man, I forgot about that website. I really need to update it. It's very outdated. I need to get rid of all like the dead projects or just organize it or something. I keep forgetting about it. No, you cannot extract the Ethereum from CryptoClickers. It's in the damn description, people. Y'all not read anymore or something? Oh man, I should have. Oops. Yep, I'll give you a fuck ton of money just from playing a damn video game. Hooray! I know, right? Damn. Getting rich from a video game. How surreal. I don't like the colors on this. I don't like how it's getting kind of purple now rather than blue. There you go, it's a little better. This is gonna be so small, you can't even tell, so I don't even know why I'm giving a shit right now. Okay. Well, let's see how this looks in here. Also, oh yeah, let me show you guys how this looks now. It looks pretty cool. I actually got quite a bit done. Okay, so build mode's off. Whee! So yeah, you can move around. The borders work. It works well. I'm very satisfied with this. Yay! Alright, I'm gonna speedrun this. Aw, man. Skyblock. 2D skyblock. This is what this is. This is actually kind of like, okay, have you guys played One Block or something like that? That's kind of what I was going for. Okay. Let's see, how does this look? Can't believe I'm launching Compacto in 3 days. It's freaking nuts. I'm gonna do a live stream that night as well, if you guys are interested in that. I know the game isn't gonna do that well. I'm mentally preparing myself for a lot of negative reviews because it's a semi-short game for $3, so I'm preparing myself. Okay. Where's the... Hello? Hello? Shoot. I thought I deleted this. What the hell? Alright. Oh man, that looks like shit. Easy fix though. None. 30, 16. There we go. That looks better. Is this transparent? Why is this? Oh, I see why now. Okay. I don't like the position of that. That looks very weird. Would probably go... I don't know. That just looks very odd. Also, the pixel size is a bit... whatever. Just doesn't look good. Also, this is 1 pixel off. That really makes me angry. Man, I hate that. Five. I'm just gonna shift it over by... Okay, that looks fine. I hate pixel art. I really hate when things are not even like that. Like, that's how it looks good, but then it's just not even at all. From far away, how does that look? That looks kind of shitty. I'm gonna try the black. Oh, this might actually look better. Hold up. Okay. Now it just looks too dark. I'm just gonna leave it there. See what happens. Oh wait, no, it's not gonna work. Okay. How am I gonna position this though? 33. That looks this just looks bad. Oh my goodness, I hate this. This is not fun. It doesn't blend that well with this, and I would need to make 32 by 32 tiles rather than 16 because this just looks weird. What pisses me off more is how uneven this is. Like, you can literally just see it. What if I... now it looks terrible. See? It's just not gonna work. I hate pixel art. It's not my thing. Okay, well... Alright, I'm just gonna make this inventory system because I have nothing else I want to do. Man, oh, there we go. Looks very bad. Wait, why won't it snap? Come on. There we go. Square Compacto 3D edition. This project is such a mess. Like, my code is garbage. It's messy. I want to redo this from scratch now that I actually know how to do things, but whatever. Well, if I actually end up making a game out of this, then yeah, I will restart, but... You see, the black is just... it's too dark. Hello, Oodles. How's it going? Can't tell if I like the white outline or not. I would feel like I just need to make the rest of the game much brighter because right now it's just very dark. Okay, because this was supposed to be like space themed, so here. I'm gonna grab something. I'm gonna open up the... Infinite universe draft. Is it this one? Thanks, Waddles, for what you sent on Discord. You know what? While I'm at it, I'm going to start creating this script. I don't know how much I'm going to hold in my on the thing. I probably 10 for each of the number keys. Man, why is it so slow? I don't understand why importing a project just fucks my entire computer. Can I just like get rid of this? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just typing random shit right now. Okay, what was I doing in here? I completely forgot what I was opening this. What I was doing with this. So screw off. Oh yeah, I was gonna grab the space background because I really liked what I made here. So I'm probably just gonna reuse it. I'll reuse it for multiple projects. Nobody's gonna know. Background. I'm just going to. I'm gonna set this as a prefab, and I'm just gonna move it over. Oh. I have a problem with unit animation. I made an idle 3D clip from Blender and it worked at the end of the animation. It gets glitchy before looping again. Anyone know the issue? I personally have never messed with Blender and animation, so I can't really help you with that. Sorry. I'm not a 3D master. And I haven't used Blender in so long. All right, I'm gonna hope this works. Also another thing is that I think I'm gonna have to rewrite some of the background. Fun fact, if you state something as a fun fact, people are... Okay. Thanks. Oh man. I don't think this is gonna work at all. Also, what actually happened to this entire thing? What is... Why? Dang. I guess I'm part of the 18%. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works. I really doubt it. Because I'm moving... No, I think I'm moving the scene, so this should work just fine. Okay, where's my prefabs? Oh. Oh, snap. Parallax stars. Okay, this will be interesting. I don't think it's gonna work. If this does, then epic. Oh snap, we're missing some assets, that's why. Space BG. So this is the background. These are the stars. Oh. Here we go. That looks kind of slick. Oh, snap. Except that, okay, what's going on here? Why am I moving freely? Okay, why is it messing up now? Gotta admit, this is pretty cool. Oh, I think my player's hidden. Wait, is it? What is going on here? Oh, okay, I have my thing here. Plots, boundaries, build mode. Oh, here we go. I am smart. Okay. Then why is my player dead? Oh, wait, my player's hidden. Goofy me. Okay, so... Okay. Now it should work. Cool. We have the infinite background. So I was actually not expecting for... I did not think that was going to work. Is it actually, like, moving, though? Okay, I gotta try this, though. I still gotta fix the hitboxes for placing stuff. It's not perfect. Oh, that works nice. Now it looks much better. Okay. Yay. Now my next goal is to place stuff on top of the tiles. So I want to place this on top, and then I'll probably add some functionality and just to see. Cool. I like this. I love the stars so much. They look really nice. Here, I want to show you guys. I think some of you have seen this. I can't remember if I posted a video or not. I think I have, maybe. Let me just show you guys this. Oh, snap. Yeah, so here's the infinite background. Oh, it's clipping a little. Oh, it's because I'm on free aspect. For some reason, I have not figured out why it's just breaking on different resolutions. So it only works on 1080p. So maybe it's like an aspect ratio thing I gotta figure out. Also, they spin. This part was a little annoying to make. The tracking thing. The arrow. Yay. Okay. Alright, done with that. I got the background. Nice. Ooh, we're a bit laggy, though. The movement doesn't feel very smooth, though. That's the thing. Okay, now it's much better. Okay, that looks much better. Okay, so placing different stuff. So, okay, I gotta figure out this inventory system. Each of these are gonna be a button. The inventory slot's gonna be a bitch. Okay, it's gonna be an int ID. Which this also means I'm gonna have to like redo this entire placement system again. I've done it twice, so I'll have to do it a third time if I want to place different items. So I really think I should just like, I should have started with the basics. I should have started with placing stuff and then getting like the actual, like the platform thing to work. I think it would have been a lot easier, but I didn't do that. So I'm just gonna make new scripts. So we're gonna have placement manager. I'm gonna clean up world generation because right now it's the placement. Well, okay, well, placing, yeah, I don't know. Hey, what's up, Victor Gamer? I am doing pretty well. How are you doing? Good, good, good to hear. Okay, so have our plot script, our background, our controller. What is our controller? So this is the player controller. So I'm just gonna rename this as player controller. Oh. How's the space update going? Got nothing done. I've kind of taken a break from idle research and just idle game development. Just working on smaller experimental stuff for now. Just because I don't know. Just couldn't get myself to focus. I really need a break. Yes. I got lots of bugs to fix, so that's also kind of holding me down. Just don't want to do it. Okay. Let's see. Is the player controller script good? I think it is, honestly. There's nothing we need to do here. Nice. Okay, this player controller can go on the actual player itself. Even that's a lot of testing, dude. Controller can go on the actual player. I need to make a player because this dot is really ugly. Okay, so we have our player. Our player game object is this, so I could just get rid of that. The rigid body is the scene. The canvas is okay. Rect transform. You don't need to test that much, dude. That's a lot. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with my player controller script. I don't think there's anything else I can do here to make it more efficient. Pretty satisfied. Okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna start with the world generation. This can probably okay. Trying to think what I can do here. I feel like I should turn this into an array. I'm gonna turn it into an array. I don't know why you're the only one chatting. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty dead right now, I guess. Yeah. Oh. So we have the smooth. The actual is gonna be. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. I'm just gonna forget. This script is so messy. I freaking hate this. Okay. I need to make a utility script. What am I making? I'm just fucking around. I'm just making random stuff. Trying to make like a little Stardew Valley game, but it's not going very well. Why are these doubles though? I still don't understand why I made these doubles. This I hate the most. Yes, I am streaming indeed. It's very pog. Okay, so the smooth is gonna be this one. Okay, I'm just gonna hope this doesn't screw anything up. I should probably test this now before I actually before I destroy this entire thing. Why speed floats? I don't know. I could make it an int. Let's see. I don't know, just in case I want to do. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Do I need to make this? Do I need to cast this? I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't. Okay, yeah, good catch. I don't know, I just made it a float because I felt like it. Okay. Watch how this is all just gonna break. Oh, good. Good. I still need to fix this hitbox thing. Also, why is it under... I don't like this. Why is it doing that? Okay, I don't know what to do. I swear, I just noticed this. Alright, see you later, Flame Master. Enjoy. Okay, I have an idea. What if I... No, I can't. What I might do for this is move those down, get rid of the plot sides. It looks cooler if I place them down like this, but I'd rather have something functional. I'd rather just have... Oh man, what's this? Oh. Okay, yeah, see, I mean, it looks better like that, but you know, whatever. Total testing time, 20 days. Is that active or is that like total? If it's active, then yeah, you are definitely insane. Well, unless it's Steam, because you might have had it open 24/7. Okay, there we go. That looks fine. Cool. I really need to fix this hitbox thing. That's really disturbing me. Sometimes it's like, you know, see how it's like I'm not even touching the next square. I don't know. Okay. I want to simplify this a little bit. It's very messy. I don't need two variables, I think. How many times I use this? Twice or once. I think I'm gonna make a variable for... How can I simplify this? This is just a long line. I hate looking at it. It's the round to hundreds that are really annoying. But that's how I get the placement things to snap. Like that. Why is it so bright? Okay. I think I'm just gonna leave this. Unless I make... Who knows? I may use these for... oh, this is the world generation. So I'm gonna actually have to move all of this eventually. I feel like I use these more. Let's see. Hold on. Oh, I only use them twice. Okay, this looks a little nicer, but... Alright. Next. Oh, I definitely use this a lot. Plot placement. What time is Compacto releasing? Midnight Mountain Time. And is there a pre-order for iOS? I thought I turned it on, but I guess I didn't, so I guess it's not working. Pretty sure I turned it on, but I don't know. It should be. It'll be out in 3 days, though. Oh, snap. Okay, I think what I did... Oh, man. I think these variables are useless. Okay. Man, I hate this script. It's so ugly. It's not very... Okay. Okay. This world generation script is going to go at some point. I think I should just work on the placement manager. Because that's just what's going to... okay. Yeah, that's what I'm going to try to do. Okay, well, I'm just going to have a placement. And then a placement smooth. Which is just going to have an empty image and then another empty image. The smooth will be the actual image. At a slight dim to it. No. I'm gonna apply a shade of green. Very a little bit. Okay. Man, I'm losing it right now. Okay. Placement manager. I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing as this. So might as well just copy this update method. These are actually gonna be images. Okay, I should make different scripts for these because I don't want to have a ton of variables inside placement manager. I'd rather just have that inside of the placement, like make a script or something. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make 2 scripts. No, I'm just gonna make 1 script, which will be the placement. And in here, I'm gonna have my where are they? My placement locations, which I'm not gonna do an array because that just looks hideous. So I'll have my X, yeah, public float Y, public float smooth X, public float smooth Y. Nice tune. Let girls play soccer. Wait, I actually listen. Oh my goodness. Wow. Skip. What a shitty title. Let girls play soccer. Wow. Okay. And then we're going to have 2 sprites. Oh, wait a minute. So okay, actually, you know what? I'm probably just gonna do it like this. So it'll just be the icon. Okay. I'm gonna make 2 placements. So this will be the actual placement. These are terrible names, I know. Okay, the smooth placement is just for decoration. I don't know why I'm doing all that extra work just for shitty decoration, but whatever. Okay, so the actual placement will be this. So what's the scene? And the scene rigid body. So these should go in the, where is the scene? Is this in the player? Okay, this is the player. Scene rigid body. So, okay. I'm just gonna move these in here. How are you gonna make the save and load stuff of what the player makes? Well, right now, I save all the locations of the plots as vector2s in the list. So I'll probably save the list in a file. That may be a lot, so I'm definitely not going to add like a very basic import-export system because you may have a pretty decent sized file, text file that you don't want to open and that you don't want to copy and paste. So, but as of right now, I save all the plot and boundary locations. Okay, the boundary locations I actually don't need to save because I generate those with this render boundary script, so it just generates them based on where everything's located. So every time you play something, it's just going to re-render all the boundaries. It's going to remove all of the, basically just clears all of them and then adds them all over again, rather than just finding the ones that are overlapping each other, because that would be a mess. And it's not like you're going to be placing boundaries every damn second, so yeah, so it's, this is all good. Okay, so we have our... We have our player controller. Okay. Rigid body. This can be private, I think. Yeah. No. Okay, that's gotta be public. Okay. So then the actual placement, I'm gonna transform this inside of the placement. Oh, because we don't know if it's smooth or not. Man. Okay. Okay, so the X. This is messy. Messy. Okay. Round to 100. I'm moving these to my utility script. Okay, so utilities dot round to 100. Should get rid of quite a bit of red. So the actual placements, which will be actual placement dot x, is going to be equal to this plot placement. So this is the actual placement. Yes, okay. Actual placement dot y equals, oh, so I can actually do this inside of my placement. So I think, because we're gonna apply the smooth after. Oh man, okay. We're trying to change the smooth, and we don't want to do that for the smooth placement because we do that in here. Okay, you know what? Whatever. Oh, this is the smooth. Frick. Okay, and then the smooth position. Okay. Is equal to smooth placement dot x by smooth placement dot y. Okay. I feel like this can be much easier. I don't know. It's whatever. Where did my, what? Where did it go? I had a scene X and stuff. Where'd it go? Okay. I just need to make sure this actually works. So I'm gonna stop this update here. I'm gonna hide those two other selection things. Okay, so the set active is gonna be very difficult to do because for plots, it's only if we can actually build around the boundaries. So I'm gonna have to check those a special way because I don't want just a bunch of hard-coded if statements. But I think that's what I'm gonna have to go with. And then if it's an object that I'm placing on the plot, it must be on a plot and it must not be on an object that's already placed there. So yeah, I'm gonna save all of the locations of these objects. So it's as simple as checking to see if the plot locations contains whatever we want to actually throw down. So if we want to throw down so the plot location, the plot placement location, local position, if the plot locations list contains this local position already, then we're just going to not place it because it already exists. So it's very easy to check for that kind of stuff. But again, it'll just be a lot of hard-coded if statements, which I don't want to do. All right, so I'm just going to get rid of all of this. And I think we're done with the placement manager. And I'm going to organize this scene a bit because it looks shitty right now. Looks very sad. I'm just going to hide some of this stuff. Okay. Excuse me. World generation. So I'm going to eventually hide that. Okay, we have the placement manager. God grounds? I don't think so. Oh yeah, I gotta assign placement scripts to this. And the icon, I'm just gonna give these both these for now. I'm gonna hide these. What's the white coming from though? Oh. Oh, okay. Sprite. So, okay, this is gonna be an image. What I'm gonna do with the item ID is that I'm gonna eventually look up like a sprite list with the item ID. Okay, fine with me. Can I make 100 alts? No, you shouldn't do that. Yeah, I'm pretty sad that we're back under 2K. I knew it was gonna come at some point. Yeah, let's see, what are we at now? I think we're at like 1910. It still says 2070. Yeah, we're under that 1910. Damn, we were literally ahead of Antimatter Dimensions NG+3, their Discord server. And now we're way fucking far behind again. Fuck. I don't know why they all just left instantly. I don't know if their accounts got deactivated at the exact same time or what. I'm sure they used the limited time email things, because we got raided. I think the raid was a month ago, so exactly a month ago. Pretty sure it happened on. Yeah, I don't even remember what day it was. Okay. Anyways, oh, this is not gonna work. Oh, snap. What's going on here? Whoa. Okay. Something's wrong here. I think it's the scenes. No. Oh, it's the mouse. Yeah, I see it now. Okay. Yeah, I need to assign an image still. I still don't see the icons I made. I really like the background that I made though. Okay, let's see. Oh, there we go. See, it's very dark though. That's the issue. It's very dark. And I don't want to just set it right on top of the tiles because because it'll just not look good. Okay, so now that I have these, I just need to change the okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna start our little sprite thing. So I'm gonna make a sprite list. Yeah, we're gonna make a sprite list. And for now, we're only gonna have two, which will be the plots and this thing, the tower, whatever you call it, the obelisk. Okay, and okay. I also need to assign each of these an item ID because what I'm gonna do in here. I hate to run this in update though. I'll probably do like a change icon or check icon or a set icon. And the icon is gonna equal to a sprite of the icon is gonna equal to placement manager. Okay, I'm gonna make a singleton real quick. And then pass in the item ID. So now now this is when the inventory system comes into play. Okay. We're gonna have that's probably gonna be public. Okay, an item selected. Well, now this is thinking, why do I need an item ID in here when I have an item selected here? I'm just going to do placement.item selected. Okay. Man, so this is where we're going to need to start working on our inventory system. I'm going to start working on the structure. So we're going to need a place, or yeah, a place object. Okay, we're gonna need, just in case, we're gonna need a remove item. We're going to need, what else are we gonna need? What else do we have in here? So we have the render boundary. So the world generation, we can use this for our, I'm not gonna get rid of this entirely, but I'm going to, if our item selected is 0, we're going to be using world generation. So actually, let's do that. If item selected is equal to 0, then we're going to just, we're just going to be doing this. So we can actually start to get rid of some of this stuff. Can we just do create custom plot? World generation. I'm going to rename the script too, because it's pretty. World generation. I don't like that. We can actually probably just... This script will probably be like the world modifier, just in case I want to remove land as well, rather than adding it to our placement manager, because this will be more based on like the items we want to place on the terrain, rather than just I don't know, doing this, because this is different. We have a bunch of like boundaries and stuff, and I don't want that to interfere with our placement manager. Okay, CryptoGrounds, let's get this started. I'm gonna call this I cannot type. Holy cow. Create custom plot. So on start, we're gonna, okay. Let's see. Will this work? I doubt it. I doubt it. But it's worth a shot. What am I doing? Place item. Okay. Oh, we're not gonna have any sprites. Okay, so the placement manager, we need to assign some sprites. The first one will be the tile. The second one will be the... I should rename that. Because what exactly, like... We're gonna be using this for like generating ore or materials and stuff. So I feel like this time the obelisk is not a really good. The monolith, how about that? I don't know. The space rock. I gotta be more creative than that. Oh, okay. So oh, wait a minute. I see the issue here. So we don't actually have anything for this set icon yet. This is also going to be public. So we're just gonna set the icon right as we start because we don't have like an inventory thing. Actually, let's run this on update for now. Because once we get the inventory system, we'll get this going. I still feel like this placement script is a bit like, I don't know, not necessary. Okay, let's change the ID. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Now I just got to figure out like how to make the placement stuff actually look good. Okay, so let's see. If we place, it's not going to place. Okay. Now if we set the item to 0, it still doesn't place. Bummer. Okay. Also, the hovering still. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. I see. Okay. Okay. Create custom plot. Is that what we call? Yes. So when we create custom plots, is build mode on? It is. So plot location contains. Oh, it's checking for the plot placement rather than this one right here. Okay, so we gotta get rid of some things. So we have our plot holder. That's fine. Plot placement, plot, yeah, those gotta go. Boundary examples, that gotta go. No, that's gotta stay. Boundaries, plots, all that's gotta stay. This has gotta go. Which means all this can go. This can go. Create plot, that can stay. This can actually probably just go here instead of making another method. I'm going to make one method for these 3. Fun fact, you don't need to do equals true because if chat.isDead is a bool, you don't need to do that. You can just leave it as is. If chat is dead. Okay, so create custom plot. So instead of, plot locations. Okay. So the placement is actually going to be the placement manager dot placement dot actual placement. Yes. All right. I'm pretty satisfied with the script for the most part. Though I feel like I can join this. Check sides, so this one's fine. Check sides, how often do we use this? One time. Can just move this into here. Get rid of that method. Render boundaries, I'm guessing we use this once. We can render the boundaries here. And sync build mode. Okay, we can keep that method. I still learn from you from the idle game tutorial series. How's that coming along? You still working on that? Oh, I get rid of this so badly. So maybe what I can do is start at 1 and add 2. Will that work? So we start at 1 and we add 2. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Okay. Oh man, build mode. Oh, the boundaries are broken. That's not good. What happened to my boundary? So it's clearly this. I'm just gonna print I and just see what happens. Oh, oof. Those are not fun. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait a minute. It's I'm a goof. There we go. Now the boundary should work. Okay, so that fixes some of it. I still don't like this though. I don't like this switch. Trying to think, what can I do here? Wow, I cannot type. Okay. I'm trying something. I'm gonna use arrays instead and just loop through the arrays maybe. Not exactly sure why I did 8. I still want to know if this works though. Before I even continue doing this. Because I wonder if there's like a good reason why I have a for loop running 4 times. Or 8 times actually. Oh man, it still didn't work. Wait, here they are. Oh, build mode. Yay! Okay, cool. So I can't build these on the outside. Okay. Now what about the ID? So what if I change it? Okay, cool. So it doesn't actually place now. Now I just need to figure out how to place these on here and somehow make them look good because that just doesn't look good. So I gotta make it look 3D-ish kind of. So I'll figure that out at some point, hopefully. Because yeah, that just doesn't look good. While the terrain itself looks pretty good, like the little floating mountain that I have, or the floating island. Let me build more. Let me just build a little. So that looks pretty good, right? I mean, I think the sides look pretty nice. Okay, that doesn't build. Cool. Build mode that should also hide these. I'll figure that out. Yeah, it's just having this, you know, sit like that. It just doesn't look good. It looks odd. Also, the cursor's still a bit off. Like if I'm in the middle right here, you see how it's like off right now? I really like the smooth snap that I added. I think that looks slick. What coding languages do I know? Mostly C#, but I know a little bit of Python. I know quite a bit of Java, a little bit of Kotlin, a little bit of HTML, JavaScript. Yeah. Again, I'm using C# on a daily basis, nothing else, so. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna start figuring out the placing system first, and then I'll get to it. Okay. All right, now I gotta hope that still works. If it does, then yes, I have a cleaner script now. I still remember when Dr. App posted a bug because of a skill set. Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah, my spelling is a bit whack sometimes. Sometimes I just type it really fast and I just miss it. All right, see you later, Victor. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, does this work now? Oh man, what is that? Oh, I see what I did. Okay. And then we should be done. Come on. Oh, yes. Okay, good. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so the world generation script is done. I'm gonna rename it, and then I'm done looking at that piece of shit. Okay, so world generation. This will be the world manager. Let's see. Does this mess up my script here? I think it does. Yep. Oh, it actually changes. Neat. All right. Inventory time. Inventory time. This looks so hideous. I'll make this look cleaner, better. Later. Can't speak. Okay, so each of these are gonna have a button. And let's see, inventory system. I don't have that down yet. Okay, so I'm gonna need it. I have a select. Oh, the inventory slot. Oh man. I think I'm just gonna ignore this for now. I'm gonna make a separate script for the inventory slots. Man, I don't think I need any of this. Okay, so if I select this, it's going to go to the placement manager. It's going to change the item selected to ID. That's it. I think that's all it's going to do. I'll add some special effects later on. Like, I'll also, actually, you know what? Okay. I'll do keybinds now. Get key code dot 1. Is it just 1? Alpha 1. Oh, alpha 0. No, alpha 1. What's the numpad? Oh, keypad. Okay. I just want this to actually work before I start creating all this all the complex stuff. Inventory manager. I don't think we even need to do anything here other than add buttons. Oh. Okay. Inventory slot. Okay. Is this gonna work? I think so. I have faith. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, yeah, it works. Nice. Cool. All right. Nice. Okay. Now I can start placing stuff. So placement the place item. Okay. I'm gonna have to store some things. So these are just gonna be images, I think. Do I want to store? No, because each image may have something to interact with. So I think I'm gonna make an item script. And this will just have a few things. I may have like an interact button, but for now it's just going to be public image icon. So I will, when I create the thing, I'm going to assign the icon. So, okay. This is just like the create custom plot thing. So I'm just gonna copy all of this. The item example. So this is actually going to be the I do need a demo object. So I do need a holder. Okay, so this one's actually gonna be interesting. I don't know if I'm just gonna place stuff in the plot holder. For now I'm gonna just see how it goes. It should work because you can't place anything under. I don't know. We'll just see how this works. Okay, so we'll set the position to the actual placements. Yep. Set sibling index to 0, so we're gonna move it to the top. I don't think we're gonna do that this time. Set sibling last. Right? Yeah. We're gonna set it as the last sibling. Okay, and then we're going to add it to our items. So we need to have a list of items. And we also need to add our location. So this is gonna be I was gonna make a list for the IDs, but each of these icons are gonna have, or the items are gonna have an item ID. Okay, so then we will have our float for the location. I keep thinking now, I should just make these, oh, no. Oh, they're vector 2s. I wish you can have an int vector. Is that even possible? Int vector? No. I should just make those myself. I shouldn't do that. I won't have to deal with any of the stupid rounding issues I'm having. Okay, so vector 2, item locations, cool. And we're just gonna throw that in here. And to refresh the world, we don't need to refresh the world actually. Okay. So we're going to check for two things. One, if it's on the plot, and if something's already there. So I'm just going to steal this. Man. Okay, so if the item locations... Oh, no. So if the plot locations, that's world.plot locations. So if it contains round to 100, blah, blah, blah. If it doesn't contain it, okay. So if it doesn't contain a plot, yeah, okay. And then for the item locations, if it does contain an item already, then we're just going to stop it. Okay. Okay, so we also need to assign an item ID, which is the item selected. And then we also need to assign an icon, which will be the sprites at index item ID, which is the item selected. Dot sprite. So the plot is going to be very similar to the item here. So what are we listening to? Skip. Unpack completely. Goodbye. Goodbye. Item. Okay, I have a good feeling about this. I'm pretty confident that this is going to work. Okay, what about these? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. Cool. But now we're still running into these, so I don't want to walk over them. I'm going to have to add boundaries around these, or just a box collider, and then that should fix that issue. I'm going to write a little message. Oh, shoot. What's going on here? Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Why do I have so many item clones? I'm confused. Wait a minute. Tile. Oh, I see what we're doing here. Oops, I forgot to return it. Because, okay, what it's doing is that it's creating a tile on top of a tile as an item. So I forgot to return it after we create our custom tile. Okay, now we should be able to do whatever we want here. Man, this is so much work. So much work just to get something very simple done. Is there an easier way to this? Maybe. Do I want to know if there's an easier way? No. I've spent a lot of time on this. I should add hold to place. Make it a little easier. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Hello. Oh, we can't do these yet. Wait, huh? Thing is that there's gonna be so many objects on the scene. I'm gonna have to find some way to render like only parts of it, or else the game is just gonna shit itself. That won't be very good. Select. Why is the select not working though? Item selected. Okay, if we use 0. Oh, wait. Hold on. 0 and 1. Does this work? Okay, so this changes. Then why isn't this changing? Oh, wait. Oh. Huh? Okay. Well, this works, so I'm not really sure what's going on there. I should just make a pixel art app instead of this. It's cool how it works though. Very glad. What if I do this? Ah. It's very satisfying. Now I just need to add hitboxes for all of these. And now that I look at it, it's not too dark. I should just add like a big glow around it, and I'm sure that will help. Because if this is gonna be like a prominent thing in the game and it's dim like this, then you know that's not good. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the stream. I also add a scroll. Scroll delta. Let's see, how does this work? Is it from 0 to 1? Mouse scroll delta. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to... I'm going to see how this works. Okay. Okay, so it's negative and one. It's -1 and +1. So if the delta is okay, so down is -1. So if it's less than 0, then we're going to add the item selected. Okay, I want to know why this isn't working though. Because okay. So if it's less than 0, we're just going to add this by 1. If the placement item selected is greater than 1, then we're going to set it back to 0. If it's greater than 0, then we're going to subtract by 1. And if it's less than 0, then we're going to set it back to 1. It would be helpful if I had more items, but it's whatever. Am I still printing that? Nope. Okay. Let's see. Oh, snap. It's very sensitive, though. That's the thing. I only have 2 items, though. But yeah. Hey, that works, though. Cool. Now I need to add some like effects or something. I have an idea for that. Time to add some more cool unnecessary effects. Oh, I never got to try the buttons either. Oops. I'm gonna add an animation because why not? Nope, nope. All right, what am I gonna do here? Let's make this very fast. There we go. It's so unnecessary. Okay. Oh, no, that's not gonna... I'm not even finished. What am I doing, bro? Does it work at least? Okay. Does this... Okay, does this even work? Why is it 1, though? I'm so confused. It's passing in the slot ID, which is 1. Both of these are... Wait, this one's 0, and this one is 1. I'm so confused. I'm genuinely confused. I don't understand why it's doing this. They don't even, like, share the same thing, so... I don't know. Oh, I see what it's doing now. I thought I fixed that. Oops. It was clicking the second button. Okay. Oh, the set icon. I can do that now, actually. What's a game? Well, a game is, there's a lot of different ways you can define what a game is. There's video games, there's board games, there's sports. It's an activity in which you have fun. Set icon. Yes, indeed. All right. So no, I was too. So what am I making? It's kind of, I mean, I kind of want to make, I've always wanted to make a Stardew Valley-like game. So I'm kind of just messing around right now, just learning new things like inventory systems or the toolbars, collision boxes. So I'm kind of just messing around with those. Oh, collision boxes. That actually reminds me I need to add a box collider to this item. Hopefully it'll work. Okay. So, oh, the issue here, item. Oh wait, no, we're good. How long have I been a developer for? I'd say, I mean, I've been like working on stuff for like 4 or 5-ish years, but I started taking it seriously probably like around 2-3 years ago. So yeah, I've really been trying to push my knowledge in the past few years just to improve my code and make things a lot easier and better for the future instead of making a lot of hard-coded if statements, you know. Okay, so let's get the selected thing working. So placement manager, this is the inventory manager. So I have an image. No, I'm just gonna put a game object. I'm gonna add a smooth selected. So all right. Why am I doing this? I had no idea. Selected X. Speaking of code, my first language was C++. I'm 2 years in and still confused half the time. Well, I've never tried C++ before. I've always wanted to, but it seems a bit tricky. I look at it and I'm just like, ugh, that looks like alien code. What was I doing? I need 2 of these. I need a smooth selected, which is going to have no image. So this would be the actual selected. This will be the smooth selected. Smooth selected. Smooth selected. All right. Okay, so where is the selected transform gonna be? It's obviously going to stay the same at the Y position. Okay. And then at the X is gonna be wherever the slots are. So I need to assign the slots. So I actually get rid of that. So it's gonna be the slots dot transform. Oh shoot. Dot game object. Oh man. At index item selected. Selected. Item selected. Come on, you can do it. Oh wait a minute. This is the inventory manager. So it's placement dot item selected. I feel like that should be in the inventory manager. I just feel like this is a weird spot to have item selected, in my opinion. No, come on. There we go. Okay, item selected. There we go. All right, I think we're done. Okay. Dope. Okay, so we have the selected and the smooth selected. All right, let's give this a shot. I don't like this error. This one sucks. Why is my Reddit post just getting a bunch of attention out of nowhere? I literally posted that like a while ago. I've just been getting so many comments lately. I don't know why. Like, hold up. It's out of nowhere. I've just been getting a bunch of comments lately. I'll have to read them. Like this. Oh, this is less than a week old. Huh. I swear, I posted this way longer than that. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Hey CG, have you ever considered ditching Unity? Apparently Stardew Valley was programmed in C# but with an XNA instead of Unity. Huh, that's interesting. No, I don't really plan on ditching Unity. I'll have to take a look at XNA though. Let's take a look. Microsoft XNA. Oh, I've heard. Oh, someone's told me about this. Yeah, I've seen this before. Huh, looks interesting though. I'm sure it'll be way harder to make it in that. Than Unity, I think. Yeah, I like my Unity though. I would have to make my own collision system if I were to do that, and that's not fun at all. Okay, what is this error though? Slots. Oh, snap. Okay. Oh yeah. That looks very weird, but it works. Woo. I love that. That's spazzing though. I'm gonna have to speed that up. Let's see, speed 2. Now I just gotta add more stuff, which should be pretty easy. That's a little too slow. Dope. Why is it not switching though? Oh, it's the set icon. I see. I'm gonna do select item selected. No, it's minus minus item selected. I love that. I've never actually done this before, unironically. Basically, it subtracts and then it passes in the whatever I pass in. So I'm just gonna add and then pass it in. That's so cool. Why have I never done that before? No idea. I don't think so, Armbarts. Okay, Armbarts. He literally asks me that all the time. It's the same as, why is no one talking on chat? Why is everyone on VC, but nobody's talking? There you go. Now you're not alone.
He's actually so dumb.
That's literally the same thing as asking why no one's on. Well, why are people on chat but no one's talking? It's literally the same thing. And if maybe he should get on, and you know,
he joined. Were you on earlier when he asked that?
no.
He was on. I think you might have left, but he was talking about how none of us were talking, and it was really dumb because we were sitting there. It was like 5 minutes after you left, I think. And then we asked him why he just joins chat and doesn't say anything for like 30 seconds and leaves. And he said the reason was because he was bored because we were talking about boring stuff. So he leaves.
Wow, literally, yeah, he does the same thing to me. Oh, why he does that? It's really annoying.
Actually, like criminally insane.
No. Alex. Why is it still doing that?
Is it him? Yes.
Oh, I'm out of here. Why did not make a sound? Okay. Seriously though, what is this box collider thing though? Oh, it's a very tiny. Oh, I see. I see. I see. The box colliders were so small. Okay. All right. Let's see. Boundary 99, 99, 99, 0.5. I make them a little round because for some reason it just clips me against a wall or against the boundaries. I don't know why. It's really annoying. All right. Penguin Z0, Burger King Karen. I can't wait to watch that. Let's see, how's this animation? Oh, that's better. It looks very slick. It looks like it's going out of bounds for whatever reason. Select icon. Oh, I'm just gonna throw this in here. Hmm. All right, does it work? Oh, it does. Nice. Cool. Nice. So I've mastered the collisions, the box collisions now. I've figured it all out, which is cool. Now I can actually start to make buildings. So what I want to do next is to have... Okay, so I want mining or something to work a little differently in this game. I want it to be like a laser, I think. I'm not really sure. I was thinking of just having a laser where you have like a 3-block range or like a maybe a 2-3 radius range, and you just have a laser and you just point at it and it mines it. But that's gonna require some trig, unfortunately. But the good part is that I have a script for that already, which I can just steal from. Where is it? Right here. Open folder. That's the nice thing about making these demo projects or these little like experiments is that you can literally use them whenever you want. So, okay. So like for this one, I don't want to open up again. Yeah, I'll do it just so I can take a look. I actually will need to take a look. Let's see. I'm gonna need the trig script, I think. Okay, so I think I was doing this in universe. Yeah. Here it is. I'm just gonna make a little laser thing. Gosh, this sucked so much. Okay, I basically just want to... Oh. I basically want to make this laser right here. So let me just turn off these other ones. There we go. I basically want to make this. This points right at the object I wanna blast at. So wow. Armbarts wanted me to share this. Oh shoot, hold on. There we go. Wow. How long is this GIF? Is this it? Oh, it is. Wow. Thanks. Okay. I need to make this. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, if I place on... Oh, I'm stuck now. Oh, shoot. I gotta make sure... Oh, wait. I'm still... Eh? Okay. Oh, yeah. It just pushes me right off. Okay. I didn't make sure to not place it on a location. Oh, that's gonna be difficult. I should add a. I was gonna say I should add a collider to the ground, but I feel like it's just gonna push me out again. Let's see. Yeah. Is trigger. Okay, what if I just somehow disable this collider? Is trigger. Oh. Oh. I can just get rid of the is trigger, and then if it's colliding with the ground that I want to place it on, don't place it. Okay. Let me make note of that. Okay. I'll do that later. I don't want to do that right now. Cool. It's a little secret entrance. Goodbye. Yeah, I need to fix this. I need to fix this badly. Look how off it is. Like, that's not even on my cursor anymore. It's like not even close. What is wrong with this? Like, look at that. It's so far off. Why? Okay. Oh man, what was I gonna do? I'm lost. Where'd I go? Oh, wait, huh? Oh, it's not, dang, I traveled far. Looks so dumb. Okay, jeez. 2 people here. Everyone left. Rip. Ah, the laser. I'm just gonna have it track. Ah, man. Okay, this is gonna be difficult. Manager. What arc transform? It's gonna be the Placement manager. Okay, these are 2 images or 3 images. Player. If I get this on the first try, I'm going to be very happy. That actually works. What the fuck? Wow. First fucking try. No way. Oh, that's so sick. First try. Damn. Cool. So now I got my little laser thing. Okay. All right. Now, what I can do... Okay. Why is this still out of... Okay, why is it still doing this, though? I'm so glad I got that first try. Oh, I don't have got to tweak anything. That's so nice. I should hook it up to the smooth, though, because it looks kind of janky. I'm so glad I got that to work, though. I did not think I was going to get it. Player controller. Let's see. Oh, I can actually use this for, like, when I have, like, like, guns or something, or, like, the pickaxes, I can just put it in the correct direction, or I can just move the player around based on this. I don't know. I'll have to see. Maybe I'll just keep it simple. We'll see. Okay, so it's going to be this based on our smooth placement instead, because that looks much better. I don't know how I got that. I thought it was going to be broken because of how I do things. I don't know. I moved the scene just like I do in the space thing I made. Oh, that looks so much better. Looks nice. It's so satisfying. I just love making side projects. I could use, like, I can literally use this for whatever the hell I want. Cool. So now I gotta make sure to put a max distance because I want to have like a certain range because I don't want to be able to place things all the way over here. So I have an idea. This should not be that hard. I gotta go to placement manager. I gotta make sure the smooth placement, or no, the actual placement is 300 pixels within my player. So I gotta do a bunch of math now. Okay. So minimum. So it's going to take the minimum between the position and my player controller. Oh, wait, I forgot. It's a scene rigid body. Okay, I'm just going to mess around with this. Actually, before I do that, I'm just going to just print a bunch of stuff. Okay, so I want to make sure. Okay. Now, how am I going to do this? I basically don't want it to go further than this. So this is the actual placement. So it can't go any further than position. Okay, so if this minus this is greater than 300, then we're gonna set actual placement X. Okay, else. Okay, we're gonna set it to our player scene rigid body. That's gonna be an easier way to this. 300. I don't know. I'm just gonna just try that out. What is this song? Feels like we've been listening to it forever. Oh, okay, cool. So, neat. Well, we know that works. That's good. I just need to fix that, the actual placement here. What even is that? Oh, it's this right here. Okay. Okay, well, good thing that works. So we just need to add it by, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 block limit. I think that's reasonable. Now I need to simplify this because this is very messy. Okay. This is, yeah, this is not clean at all. Okay, I have an idea. Wait a minute, this is scene X. This is scene X. Actual placement. Oh, this is... What am I doing? These are variables that I've already created. There we go. That looks much better. It's missing the... Okay. Man, I'm gonna simplify this in a second. I know this is very hideous. I just want to make sure this works. I don't think my math is correct. Oh, pff. Wow. Okay, well that's, yeah, that's not broken at all. What did it though? I'm so tired. What the hell? What is it doing? What did I do? Okay, well, I completely screwed it up when I was fixing all these variables. Okay. So this is the player controller. So what's scene X? Transform.position. Yeah. Okay, so this is player.scenex. This is player.scenex as well. This is actual placement. Wait. Oh, I see what I was doing here. Oh, this is a variable. I forgot. Okay, so there we go. Now it should work. Okay. Now we need to check to see if this is negative. So all right. All right. Cool. I'm gonna have to hide these lines too. Actually, I'm not even gonna show these when building, so it's only when we're actually gonna like place stuff. Like that, maybe. Maybe I could show like dimensions too or something. Like have some like advanced, I don't know, that seems kind of goofy. Okay. Now I need to do the same thing for the Y. Script is a little messy, but it's all right. I actually might need to change this because of the actual placement needs to be capped. So, rough. Time to make more local variables. See if this works. All right. Cool. So now we have a little range here. Perfect. Looks so satisfying. Oh no, it's still letting me build. Okay. All right. I will fix that. So cool. So the actual, so we're going to need some variables here. So okay, this will at least make this a little less, I don't know, more blocky rather than anything. Rather than just a super long line. Okay. I pretty much need to do this. So I'm doing this 4 times. So I might actually be able to replace this because if we're capping it here, we don't need to do it here. I still want to make a method. So we have a range. So we have our actual place. We have our number. What's actual X though? Okay. I don't know what to name these. Okay, so we have our number. So our actual X is going to be the position. The scene X is our comparison, I'm assuming. So we're just comparing. Okay, I don't know. And then our range is these. So placement range. Okay, so here, all right. Man. So this is annoying. Oh, temp-x. So temp-x is our number. Our position is... It's actual X, I believe. Yeah, and we're comparing with scene X as well. And our range is 300. So I think we're just, yeah. This might be completely wrong. Who knows? It's worth a shot. No. What's this? The reference script unknown on this behavior is missing. Well, that's very specific. Thank you. Okay. Wait a minute. What was that? I just moved. Oh, I placed it and it pushed me. Okay. Dang. Okay, well that didn't work. I basically just want to limit that between... I might actually just do this manually first before I actually throw it into a method. Okay, so temp-x is equal to that. Oh, okay. Okay, here. Temp-x is equal to temp-x. Oh, wow, very useful. So if temp-x, what are we subtracting from our actual placement? No, it's our player dot scene x. So if this is greater than 300, then we are going to set it to player x plus 300. Otherwise, we're going to set it, just leave it as temp-x. Okay. If it's negative, then we're going to set our temp-x to scene x minus 300. Okay, that seems logical. Let me just comment these out, see if this works. I have a feeling it'll work. Oh, what's this mod 1000? What? Maybe that was also part of it. Oh. Okay. What's this over here, though? Okay, well, at least it stops over here. That's good. If actual x, so what's actual x? Okay, so that's scene x. If that minus temp x is less than negative 300, then temp x is equal to scene x minus 300. Why is it screwing up though? I'm gonna try getting rid of these two. This doesn't make any sense. Maybe he's in the right position. Okay. Why is it doing this? I don't understand. Okay, I'm glad it works here, the negatives, but why is it messing up here? Okay. This reloading is so annoying when you have to test it a million times. Oh, so it's what? What? Okay. Wow. Wow. How does that make any sense though? Oh, wait a minute. I'm subtracting wrong. Right here. Okay, actual X minus player scene X. Okay, I'm doing it the opposite way. Okay, so what's actual X? That would be the position of the actual placement. So hold on. Sorry. Okay. Actual X. So maybe what is actual X though? It's temp X. So is it temp X minus the scene? Is this it? I think this is it. I have a good feeling about this. I think we're just flipping everything. This is very complicated. Not sure why, but oh, we got it. We got it. Yes, I flipped the math. Or I flipped the operators. Not the operators. You know what I mean. Okay, so I can get rid of this, which is nice. I can get rid of this, I think. So the placement range, that would be the position. So that's actually temp X. Yeah, this is what it is. Alrighty. Okay. Ah, yes, nice. Beautiful. Okay, let's see. Nice. Oops. Nice, so that's my range. Perfect. Cool. Now I can't just place anything wherever I want. I actually have a range. Okay, seriously, this hitbox thing is really annoying. Cool. Yeet. All right. Next thing I want to do is getting like like the fundamentals. So that is with I don't know what I want to do really. I don't know if I want to have like mining or drilling or I don't know what this really will be. All right, let's make some more pixel art. Again, this is still off. Like you can't even really tell too much, I guess. I don't know, it's just I need to fix this for sure. This looks really good though. All right. See, what is this? What is our core? What's gonna be the ore or the metal? I'm thinking steel. Though I think that's pretty early. Let's make just steel, I guess. Generic shit. It's gonna be the same color as this. So I might have different colors. I don't know. Now, this is probably gonna be this is probably gonna look like shit, but we'll try our best. Also, what I could do, never mind. All right, this is gonna look like shit, but what we're gonna do is this. There we go. We're done. All right, we have a little rough draft. Let's clean it up now. This looks so bad. I'm not a pixel art master. Probably cringing some pixel art masters right now. Whoa. All right, how does that look? I guess the shape's fine. I don't know. I'm just rolling with it. All right. Steel. I know it's blue. I'll fix that as well. All right. This looks like stone now. I need to make this a little more shiny. Oh, this looks so terrible. What is this? This is so bad. What is this crap? Okay. Having a blast right now. This doesn't look good at all. Like the colors just don't match. I don't know. Maybe it's the blue that's just tripping me. Yeah, see, it looks like stone. I'll get it eventually. See, this turned out good. I don't know what I did here. It doesn't look right. All right. Well, I'm gonna fix some of these colors. Oh shoot! I just realized I. Oops. I don't know. I just don't think that's the right colors. Also, this should be darker. I don't know what I was thinking there. I'm just gonna flip these. Color picker. It just doesn't look right. Maybe adding some gradients will help. Man. It needs to be more gray. Like, I don't know. Here. Blue. This doesn't look good. What am I doing? This doesn't look good. Oh man. I could probably make an ingot just fine, but the ore, what the I mean, the colors over here look fine. This side looks fine, but the rest of it just looks weird. It's this. That's like way too. This over here. What is that? I don't know about this. The colors just don't match at all. Oh. I don't know, guys. Man, looks like a pile of shit. Oh. I might just make a normal rock and then just throw a bunch of like shards in there or something. I think that's just the easiest way to do it. So now this just looks like stone, kinda. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I should look at some examples. Maybe that'll help. I mean, still, eh. There we go. I mean, that looks a little better. It doesn't need to have that outline. The darker color looks terrible. It's the white that looks much better on this. There we go. That looks a lot better. Much better. If I got rid of that, I'm sure that would help a little bit, but I would need to blend these two together. There we go. That looks much better. Definitely a lot better. Okay. Okay. I probably should start working on like the actual inventory system before I start just adding a bunch of items. You know what? Whatever. Okay. So time to add the little shards. So it'll be bluish. I think that'll be good. It's gotta match with. Okay. We're just gonna make redstone. Steel's obviously more gray, but like, you know, it's kind of hard to like tell this is steel. This looks iron. I mean, iron's like a little more like that. This looks so bad. Eh? The fuck? That's kind of dope how you can just select and move stuff. It's kind of broken, but... I want to make this look like like it's sharp. I don't know, it looks kind of weird. Cool. Not bad, not bad. It could be a little better, but it's all right. It's not the worst. Oh, snap. What the f- I did not do that. I did. Okay. Sure. I'm just gonna keep it there. Okay. I literally do not want to move all of this though. What? Why is it doing that? It's not okay. Right, there we go. There we go. That looks decent. I'm satisfied. Though now I gotta carefully stretch this without fucking this up. Oh, I messed it up. Opposite fight. It's gonna fuck it up. I already know it. What? Okay. I'm gonna stretch this a little bit. I don't know why I made it smaller than the boxes, but whatever. It looks good though. I think the shape's nice. I just need to center it now. What the actual fuck? Why? Why does it do this? You know what? I have an idea. I'm gonna trim it, and then I'm gonna expand it. I know. I'm smart. I know. I'm not sure why moving it like that messes it up. Hey, what's up, Vadeblade? How's it going? I should honestly use this for idle research, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what I would use it for, but... Oh, shoot. What's going on now? I can't... Oh, wait. Oh, I can't even... Ugh. Hold on. I can't even, like... Ah. I can't even move past this now. Shoot, it's the scene that's the issue. Because this is the center of the scene. So I'm not actually looking for the... Okay. It's the scene rigid body. So I need to add these two together. Man, I thought it was good. I totally didn't see that. So it's the scene X plus the player X. I gotta go in a few minutes. Alright, I have 5 more minutes, guys. YouTube says this is Minecraft. What? Okay, what is going on here? Oh, that's not good. Really? Oh, this is frustrating. I'm not sure why it's doing this. Maybe I am supposed to measure the player X. Okay, one more try and then I gotta go. I know you just got here, Vayblade. Oh, cool. Okay. Oh, yes, it still works. Okay. Good. Good. All right. So what was I working on? I kind of forgot. Oh, yeah, the ore. Forgot. Oh, do I seriously keep saving it in the wrong spot? Or did it just not import? Oh, there it is. Cool. Looks neat. I'll have to make a better inventory system than this eventually. Nice. Hello. Welcome to the end of the stream because I gotta head out soon. Unfortunately. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to expand this a lot. It's definitely a lot I gotta do. This is not the most attractive thing ever, but you know, whatever, it works. All right, guys, I gotta head out. Thank you everyone who tuned in today. Be sure to leave a like if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next stream or video. See ya.